Okay, so I'm gonna prep a Neapolitan style pizza. I'm gonna put some flour on my very clean countertop. And I'm also gonna put some flour on the pizza peel so that the pizza slides off very easily into the oven. Apply a little bit to the dough. And we're good to go. Now I'm gonna take the dough, going from the center, using on edges of your hands, stretching the dough. And using the knuckles. And now we're ready to lay it on top of the peel. Maybe not. Don't be afraid. Stretching out the dough. Give it a good shake to make sure that it will launch into your pizza oven. Apply some sauce from the center out. And then fresh mozzarella, which I like to rip up and apply sporadically and generously. Again, giving it a shake, and now we're ready to launch it into the oven. Now we're ready to launch the pizza inside the oven. I want to make sure that give it one last shake, and then I'm going to open the oven door. And even though the rotation system is spinning, it is spinning at such a slow speed that you don't have to worry about shoving the pizza in there. You just want to very slowly slide the pizza onto the stone and then close the door. We hope that these videos have been helpful for you as you begin your journey in the Scorpio revolution. Please visit us on our website at scorpiopizzaoven.com for more instructional videos. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us through our support email, which you can find on our website. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also visit us on all of our social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, and yes, even TikTok. Thank you and have a great day.